Welcome to our video on mastering device and printer uninstallation. In this step-by-step guide, we will walk you through the process of uninstalling devices and printers from your computer. So let's get started. Step 1. Open the control panel. Step 2. Click on Hardware and Sound. Step 3. Under Devices and Printers, click on Device Manager. Step 4. Locate the device you wish to uninstall. Step 5. Right-click on the device and select Uninstall.
Step 6. Confirm the uninstallation by clicking Yes. Step 7. Wait for the uninstallation process to complete. Now let's move on to uninstalling printers. It's just as easy. Step 1. Open the control panel. Step 2. Click on Hardware and Sound. Step 3. Under Devices and Printers, locate the printer you want to uninstall. Step 4. Right-click on the printer and select Remove Device. Step 5. Confirm the removal by clicking Yes. Step 6. Wait for the removal process to finish.
And there you have it. You've successfully uninstalled devices and printers from your computer. Remember, if you encounter any issues or face difficulties during the process, consult your device or printer manufacturer for further assistance. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials and tips.